ALine engineers and manufactures microfluidic products, applying scientific principles to address your engineering requirements. For nearly 2 decades, ALine has developed expert engineering solutions, allowing our customers to move their product quickly from research and development to product transfer and large-scale manufacturing.
The vision really was to develop a rapid prototyping platform specifically focused on microfluidics and bring in the kind of quality and scalability so that our customers can focus on doing the biology, collecting the data, and not having to worry about the quality of the microfluidic device. What we want to do is help researchers, help scientists who have a really cool, novel technology, and we want to help them port that into a microfluidic platform so that they can develop a product to sell in the marketplace.
ALine's unique culture of scientific excellence and practical problem solving is realized in the quality and performance of every device we build.
So we really help our customers put the structure and de-risk getting the biology that behaves so well in the laboratory environment to behave well in a small, consumable microfluidic that's going to work with a small instrument.
ALine engages clients in product-focused engineering of plastic single-use microfluidic cartridges. Its clients hit key programmatic milestones that energize the next round of investment.
ALine has impacted the industry over the years by providing a platform technology and a toolbox of functions that allows us to integrate and automate any type of assay into a microfluidic cartridge. In order to address ALine's customers' needs, the skills that I had to develop over the course of the years are really focused on the systems engineering and the ability to look at the project in a very holistic view, thinking about the fluidics, the assay development, the optics, the thermal control, instead of focusing on a single component, really looking at the whole program and being able to support the overall goals of the program.
Early on, we do 100% QC on all of the products we produce in every batch. We are ISO 13485. Quality is how I've built the business, and ISO has provided a wonderful framework for us to be able to deliver quality, deliver the same thing time and time again, and to have the documentation to support that.
What makes ALine great are their people. Embedded in ALine's culture is the desire to meet our customers' critical technical and business deadlines. ALine meets and exceeds critical milestones through its proprietary laminate fabrication processes that allow seamless scale-up from tens of parts to hundreds and even 10,000s. Combined with injection molding, ALine's engineered laminates have supported clients in early product launch when transfer to high-volume manufacturing is premature. ALine ensures the supply chain for materials supports transition to high volume and works with its partners to ensure designs are compatible with high volume processing and assembly.
The team works together, they inspire each other, and they are able to bounce ideas back and forth from one another. And the most important thing for me is to really have that inspiration.
I've been here for 5 years, and I'm just as excited to be here as I was 5 years ago. And I think part of the reason why that is we could sit down with a customer on a Monday and deliver fully functioning devices by Friday. And having that speed and quick turnaround for something tangible is really gratifying for any designer.
ALine has many success stories and accomplishments, including ALine's cell culture cart on NASA's first GeneSat space mission.
One of our first programs was a project we had with NASA Ames. They were embarking on a technology demonstration program for doing autonomous biology experiments in near-Earth orbit. So we worked with them to develop a cell culture card for doing the biology that needed to be done with the satellite package that would go around it. And so our device was the one that flew on this technology demonstrator for doing small satellites in near-Earth orbit. We bring the engineering and the science and this expertise in microfluidics that allows our customers to get through that development cycle faster and with a very solid solution that can be easily commercialized.
Want to learn more about microfluidic design, materials, and pilot manufacturing? Contact us at info@alineinc.com.